Hi student, good morning. Today I am going to teach you about the French Revolution. Lesson first of the history class 9th. First we know about the revolution. Revolution. Revolution is a word that has been derived from the word revoluto. 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 Revolution is a word that has been derived from the Latin word revoluto. From Latin word revoluto. Is a fundamental and relatively sudden change in relatively sudden change in political order or political organization which occurs when the population of the country revolts against the government. Students, revolution. First, we understand about the revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is a word that has been derived from the Latin word revoluto. From the Latin word revoluto is a fundamental and relatively sudden change in political order or political organization, which occurs when the population of the country revolts against the government. Students, today first I will make you intimacy with the introduction of this lesson, and then after we study one by one points of this lesson. The French Revolution is the most important revolution among all the revolutions, like Russian Revolution, Industrial Revolution, American Wars of Independence, Italian Revolution, German Revolution. Among all of the world revolutions, the French Revolution is the most important revolution because it affected the political, economical and social condition of the whole world. It is not only affected the social, economical and political condition of the France, but it affected the social, economical and political condition of the whole world. So, it is the most important revolution in the history of world. As should be known you, it begins on 14th July 1789. It begins on 14th July 1789. And the rumors spreading out in the Paris, the Royal Army would soon be put fire upon the common citizens. The common citizens, when heard this matter, the Royal Army would soon be put upon fire over the common people. They organized people militia of 7,000 peoples. People militia. Militia means army. Having heard the matter that royal forces would soon be put upon the fire over the common people, the common people of Paris organized 7,000 people army, and the army belongs to the common society. And having organized 7,000 people's army, they came forward in front of the town hall. I will mention a little bit information about the town hall. Town hall is a place where the King of France held the meeting with the common people regarding royal information. The town hall was a meeting place where the king held the meeting with the common people regarding royal information. Now come to the point. The 7,000 army came forward in front of the town hall, which was situated in the Paris, and protesting against the monarch system. And whatever buildings were situated along the town hall, means the government building, they started attacking over them, but they could not find any kinds of weapons, etc. After that, among of 7,000 people, 100 of the people moved towards the forts of Bastille in search of looting the weapons and arms of the king. When the 100 peoples reached at the Bastille forts, the fight between commander of chief of the Bastille and common people occurred. in which that accident the commander of chief of the Bastille was killed and the 100 people released the prisoners which was imprisoned by the kings. Almost this time around there are only 7 prisoners inside the Bastille forts. With course of time, in course of time, Bastille was hated by all the common people of the France because it was the place was that symbolic of the despotic ruling. That was the place which was the despotic ruling of the king. This kind of events was not only happened inside the Paris but also with passing the time occurred whole of the France. When the historians saw back the history of France, they founded finally the king was executed in 1793. But students, whatever happened in France, what were the main causes of it? Whatever happened inside the France in 1789, what were the main causes of it? Why was the French Revolution started and what were the main causes of it? First cause was that we now study about the main causes of the French Revolution. At the first point we focused on. First point, main causes of the French Revolution. French Revolution. Main causes of French Revolution. First, war and economic crisis. War and economic crisis. युद्ध और आर्थिक मंदी. Wars and economic crisis. It was the first cause for the French Revolution because France participated in useless war during the period of 1756 to 1763. In this 7 years war, France participated and fell into 2 billion livres of debt. When the France participated in the 7 years war, that was fought mainly between the Britain and France for the colonization across the whole world, in which 7-year wars, a war belonging to India also comes, the War of Puducherry. A little bit information about that war was that The Puducherry was colonized by French before 1759. But in 1759, the Britain naval army defeated the French army and the Britain colonized the Puducherry in 1759. Such wars were fight between the France and Britain during this period over all across the world. And due to that, France fell into 2 billion leverage. And another war in which France participated, American Wars of Independence during the ruling period of Louis XVI, in which France supported United States of America to free 13 colonies from the Britain. And by the help of French army, America succeeded to free their 13 colonies from Britain. But in that war, France more fell into 1 billion, adding 3 billion leverage debt over the France now. And due to that debt, all the basic means of production, means infrastructural production, collapsed and economic crisis come. This was the first reason. Due to that, French Revolution started. Second, excessive taxation. Excessive taxation. Taxation. Excessive taxation. When after ascending the throne in 1774, Louis XVI saw an empty treasures. In 1774, Louis XVI ascended the throne and saw the treasure of the king was empty. He tried to filling his treasure. He tried to filling his treasure by increasing the tax over the common people. But that was the dilemma. Before the revolution, the common people of France were grooming under the heavy burden of taxes, and they were not in position to deposit any kind of new taxes. But the King of France tried to filling his treasures by increasing the new taxes over the people. And this time around, two kinds of taxes were taken. One is a teeth, and this was the kind of tax was taken by the church. was taken by the church from the common people. From the common people. From the common people. Tithe was the tax which was taken by the church from the common people. It means the tax which was taken by the church was known as tithe. And second tax name was tally. Tally. This kind of tax was taken directly by the king from the common people. In other words, the tax which was taken by the king directly from the common people was known as tally. Both types of taxes. During this time, the royal departments took from the common people. First tithe was taken from the church, and tally which was taken from the king. In that condition, people were grooming under the heavy burden of taxes before the revolution, and they were not in position to deposit any kind of new taxes. But king tried to filling his treasure by levying new taxes over the common people. And that is the condition why people revolted against the government. Now, we studied third causes of the French Revolution. Third cause, social disparity. Social disparity. Social disparity. Social disparity. Students, we have to know in 17th century the French society was divided into three groups. First, the first estate. Second, the second estate. And third, the third estate. The third estate. Third estate. A short reference about all these. In the first estate, it consisted of the clergymen and church fathers. It consisted of clergymen and church father. The second estate consists of king, noble, minister of king, while the third estate consists of common people like businessmen, traders, farmer, labor, etc. In the third estate consists of common people like businessmen, traders, farmer, labor, etc. While the first estate, under it comes clergyman, church father, and the second estate, in that estate, king, noble, minister comes. Almost 90% of the population belonging to the third estate, and that is why now we stopped because now we stopped.